We're at the Pham residence and we're now going to start the repair attempt. So we're going to release these shingles tabs along the bottom so that we can attempt to remove the nails.
Lift this one up?
Yep.
It's all good?
That's good. Just leave it. There you go. Okay. I'm going to unseal all the shingles that are going to require some level of manipulation to remove the nails so that we can remove that shingle. We are starting to have some issues with sealant. We'll continue to watch the video here and document the unsealing of the shingle. If we sense we're having some issues, we'll stop the video, we'll document the damage, and come back with the video, continue the video. Okay, we're starting to get a little bit of tearing. Let's release this. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to stop the video. We're going to look and document any damage that occurred just during the unsealing before we attempt to pull any nails, and then we'll continue the video upon inspection.